Hey everybody, what we're doing today is going to give you a quick demonstration on whether fiberglass pools float. The truth is, they do float. So does gunite, so does concrete, steel, and also vinyl lined pools. They all float. But we'll show you how we build our pools and how everybody in the fiberglass business builds their pools and how that myth is kind of busted. And we'll do that today. What we have here is we have some crushed stone, which is what you'll have on site when we're building your pool. We have a tub to put our display into to be able to show you, and this will be kind of represent the 1 foot over dig and the earth. And then we do have a full-on fiberglass pool like what you would have in your home, except for just scaled much smaller. So what we'll do is we'll put that pool in this vessel, and then we will start after that by backfilling it with gravel around that, and then we'll come back to you and show you the next phase of it. Hey, welcome back. What we've done here so far is we've actually backfilled the pool with aggregate, small crushed stone, as we would in the field, and we filled the pool with water, okay? So now for this to actually float, whether it be in real life or here today, we need to introduce water around the edges until we can make the pool possibly float. That's the only way a pool of any type, whether it's gunite, vinyl, or fiberglass, would float. So this will take a little bit. We'll show you when we get back that it is full of water, and we'll show you that this pool won't float. Okay, so what we've done is we've introduced water around what would be our dig, and now it's gravels to the top, water's to the top. You can physically see the water there all the way around, and the pool is full of water to the point where it's about 4 to 5 inches below the top of beam here, which would represent what you'd have on yours. And obviously the pool is still in place. It has not floated, it is not floating, and will not float, because there's more water in the vessel than there is around it. And that's the same way it's going to be with your pool at your place. So if you were to take this water out, the water weight of the pool becomes light, and that's how the bottoms sometimes will push up, the walls will sometimes push in. And we'll try to demonstrate and make this pool float with that on our next video. But as you can see, the myth is busted. It's not going to float, period. All right, we're back, and what we have done is we have drained most of the water, or removed most of the water weight from the pool, and as you can see, it has floated. It is floating. It is no longer where it was. It has come up, basically an inch around here. So the front side has floated, and this is what would happen in your situation when you drain your pool or have more water around the outside than you do on the inside. Now, how we mitigate water, most of you already know that we have a standpipe that goes at the end here, a 10-inch standpipe, where that water can be detected by physically seeing it, opening the lid, and then you would pump that water out. Again, you never drain any manufacturer's fiberglass pool that I'm aware of, definitely nothing that we sell. If you were to want to drain your pool, we would ask that you call us first. We would come out and try to find out why you're wanting to drain your pool. But fiberglass pools float at this point, but when properly installed, as you saw earlier, it's not going to float. It's not physically capable of doing so.